Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In this video, we're exploring 20 amazing tools that can change the way you think, work, and create, featuring smart innovations designed to impress and inspire. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. The CabinetPRO from Milescraft delivers fast, repeatable cabinet hardware installation with all-metal precision. Built to eliminate guesswork, it ensures clean, accurate alignment on every door and drawer, every time. The multi-angle tile fixer offers a strong, mark-free grip with its 6-inch suction cup and flexible 90, 180, and 270-degree alignment. Lightweight yet durable, it allows easy fine-tuning of level and gaps, making it ideal for porcelain, stone, and glass tiles. The ACR-Leak Detector finds refrigerant leaks fast and precisely, detecting as little as 3 grams per hour in seconds. With a sensitive probe, adjustable zero point, and access to tight spaces, it makes leak detection quick, accurate, and reliable. Chameleon adapts to the job at hand, delivering powerful, smooth grinding with twin counter-rotating discs and high-torque performance. Lightweight, dust-controlled, and surface-safe, it's built for efficient, fatigue-free work across walls, ceilings, and floors. The UL4000D is built for mobile work, delivering consistent, repeatable tensioning with the freedom of a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Easy to use, interchangeable with existing CP heads, and designed to maintain peak performance, it keeps installations fast, reliable, and efficient on every job. The Uplifter is a compact powerhouse, lifting up to 350 kilograms while navigating tight spaces with ease. Remote-controlled, battery-powered, and capable of tilting loads through low doorways, it brings heavy lifting under complete control in confined areas. The electric wrench is designed for precision fastening where space is limited. Built to reach pipes, hoses, and fittings others' tools cannot, it combines ergonomic handling, interchangeable sockets, and smooth one-hand operation for fast, accurate tightening in tight and complex assemblies. The 30-inch tree trimmer combines long reach with effortless power, slicing through branches up to 40 millimeters with smooth, clean cuts. Built tough and easy to handle, it makes pruning faster and more comfortable. The Tigris CX is a cordless insulation cutter that powers through almost any material in seconds. With a diamond cutting wire, brushless motor, and flexible angle cuts, it delivers clean, precise results wherever the job takes you. The magnetic base is designed for the M3 baby feeder, allowing quick, secure mounting on cast iron table saws without drilling. With fast installation and 3 powerful magnets, it delivers a solid grip and hassle-free setup. The Blitz Mini makes fiber retrofitting simple in existing buildings. Its ultra-thin, flexible tape bends tightly and feeds smoothly through occupied conduits, enabling fast, low-effort fiber installations with minimal disruption. The 10-inch pole saw kit makes high trimming easy with a brushless 40-volt chainsaw and angled 10-inch bar for better control. A lightweight telescopic aluminum pole extends from 7.5 to 10 feet, while automatic chain lubrication ensures smooth, efficient cuts powered by a long-lasting lithium battery. Evo 03 is a ready-to-use gel-insulated inline splice joint for IP68 low-voltage cable connections. With pre-filled insulation and breakable bulkheads, it installs fast and clean with no resin, no pouring, and no mess. This upholstery stapler is compact, lightweight, and built for all-day comfort. With smooth firing and fast reloading, it makes upholstery, trim, and assembly work quick and effortless. This handheld circular saw delivers serious power with smart ergonomics, making tough cuts feel effortless. With high torque, smooth variable speed, and fatigue-reducing balance, it handles everything from plunge cuts to deep bevels with precision, safety, and control. The Twister drilling set is a tough, all-in-one solution for drilling masonry, wood, metal, and stainless steel. Packed with impact-rated bits and smart accessories, it delivers speed, durability, and versatility in one compact case. The Jokari round cable stripper delivers fast, precise stripping of round cables from 8 to 28 millimeters with clean circular and longitudinal cuts. With adjustable depth, durable TN-coated blades, and a comfortable non-slip grip, it's a reliable, safety-approved tool built for everyday installation work. This router bits guide breaks down upcut, downcut, and compression bits so you can get cleaner, smoother cuts every time. Learn how the right solid carbide bit eliminates tear out and delivers pro-level results in any woodworking project. The drill accessory banding tool turns your 18 volts drill into a fast, precision banding solution. It delivers tighter, more consistent installs with less effort, eliminating guesswork while protecting bands and freeing your hands for quicker, cleaner work. The Chain Snake is a compact, cordless pipe cleaner that delivers full power up to 35 feet. With variable speed and precise control, it clears build-up fast without cords, outlets, or drill setups. Thanks for watching. If these tools sparked your curiosity, stay tuned to the Chop Busters for more powerful ideas and exciting discoveries coming next.